In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a playlist on Spotify. Now, if you're new to this channel, please go down below and hit the subscribe button. Once you've subscribed, go ahead and leave a like on this video as well. I really do appreciate that, guys. Thank you, guys. The first thing you need to do is to go and open your Spotify app. Then once you are here, on your bottom right corner, you are going to see a plus icon. Just tap on it. Then you will tap on playlist. Then you need to edit the name of the playlist, or you can enter the name of the playlist. I'm just going to write here then click on create. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and add music to your playlist. So you just need to click on that button which says add to this playlist. Then you can search the music that you want to add to your playlist. So personally, I like to listen to worship and praises music, so I'm going to search for worship. Just tap on that plus icon beside the music that you want to add to your playlist. So I'll just add that. Then I can also add this one. Then I can add that one. Then I can add that one. Now if you come to your playlist, you are going to see the songs that we've just added to the playlist. Now if you click on them, you can just click on that. Then you will see the list of your songs that you've added to your playlist. So that's it, guys. That's how to create playlist on Spotify. Now if you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you, guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.